This video is about something that is working for me and has worked in the past, and I just wanted to share it. So before I put any solids in my diet during the day, I am making sure that I drink a lot of liquids. So in the morning when I wake up, I drink, this is about a quart, so about 4 cups of water, just plain water. And I drink that and I do my exercise, and by the time I'm finished with that, I'm ready for something with some flavor. So then I drink my ginger lemon water. And actually, so if you back up to when I fill up my quart to drink my plain water, I put my ginger in and cover it with hot water or even boiling water. And then when I'm ready to drink my ginger lemon water, I'll stick the lemon in with that. So a quart of plain water and then my quart of ginger lemon water. And another trick with that one is you can put your ginger in your container, which is what I did last night, and just put your water and let it just sit overnight, and that pulls out the ginger flavor into your water. And then you can add the lemon when you're ready to drink it. And then when I've finished that, it's getting on to afternoon, because normally I don't eat till noonish. I don't eat till I get hungry. But it seems like with doing this, I don't get hungry as soon at all. Like sometimes it's dinner time and before I'm hungry. It's summertime, I'm doing a lot of things, and my body is just loving all this liquid. So plain water, ginger lemon water, and then I move on to my smoothie. And I'll put in some of these amazing grass. I like the sweet berry and my boys like it too, so I'll put a scoop or 2 of that in the blender with, well, I've been doing a little bit of water, but today I'm just going to do again another quart of water. It seems like a good amount to really hydrate me. And I remember learning when I took the School of Natural Healing course from Dr. Christopher, he tells us to get a gallon of water in every day. And when I do that, I notice my headaches are less, I feel more hydrated, and I'm not as hungry for snacky stuff. So doing this, I'm getting that gallon in. So I'm going to do my quart of water and for the smoothie, add in my greens, and I've been using this Orgain protein, and you can get it from Costco, or I've been ordering it on Amazon, and it's good. It's got the pea protein, chia seeds, brown rice, and organic fiber. This, I would not actually consider this a whole food, so I've been kind of on the fence about whether this is really good for my body. But my mom and I have done some research, and the stuff in here is good, and it's a way to get a lot of these good things in that I normally wouldn't take the time for. So for right now in my life, this is something I'm doing. But I add that, and then I went out in the garden and I've got kale and some spinach and some chard. And the kale I'll take off the stem, like take it off because that part's bitter, but I'm going to add all these greens into that quart also. And and then I like to add some frozen berries that I also just get organic at Costco. But so I'll do all of that, and then when I've had my smoothie, usually it's dinner time, or then I'll just eat something, and I'll just eat, and I don't eat after like 7 or 8 because I have reflux issues if I eat late, so I don't want to lay down and have food coming up in my esophagus. TMI, too much information for you. So I don't like to eat late. But and then after dinner, when I might get a little bit of a sweet tooth, I've been using these is an open one. It's the True Lemon. It's pretty basic ingredients. What I really like about them is they don't have all the artificial colors and stuff in them. So this is my treat, and last night, I'll show you what I did. I bought these bubbly, and it's carbonated water and flavor, and it has no sweetness to it, and this has plenty of sweetness. So when I added them together with some extra water to just kind of, well, I'm trying to get my quart of water in again, it was good. It was a dessert. So that's what I've been doing, and I'm also exercising, which I know makes me not crave all the sweet stuff, because I have a sweet tooth, and I really have to battle that, and I'm just sharing this because it is working. I feel good, I have plenty of energy, I'm hydrated, and I'm putting good stuff in my body. So have a sweet day. Hope this helps.